Okay, so what I have with me here is the Ampro Pro Styl Clear Ice Ultra Hold. It says it's protein styling gel and it's alcohol and paraben free, protein rich, water-based, non-flaking, beautiful sheen, firm and flexible hold, sculpting and protective. This is the 10, and this is just what it looks like. As you can see, I use this product a lot. It's almost gone. I've used it a couple of times, but I like to use this product. It's a very good product. The first thing that I'm gonna say about this product is I do like it a lot, and it's not the normal gel that I put in my hair. I usually use like a darker gel because my hair is on the darker side, and I bought this gel because I needed something to put in my hair to hold it down, to make it firm for, you know, like a night going out, but I was using this just to make my hair look nice for an interview. So I bought this, and one reason that I bought it is because it was very cheap, and I was like, well, this is something that I feel like it could work. I usually don't buy products that like the gel that's clear, because a lot of clear gel is usually, for me at least, known to flake up on my scalp and make me look like I have a lot of weird dandruff or something in my hair. And with this one, I have not experienced that, and I've used this multiple times, and never in any of the times have I experienced any flake looking, any dry looking, any of that to happen to me after I've put this in my hair. I put this in my hair and I use a little brush and I brush it out to spread it evenly throughout my hair, and it works very well. I really like how this works on my hair. A lot of times it's hard for me to find something that will stick my hair down and also not make me feel like I'm restricted. Like, I put this on actually in my hair, and I feel like honestly that there's nothing on my head. And I know with a lot of gels it can make your head feel very like tight or very like pulled, and with me I don't like that feeling because I just don't like my hair like feeling pulled or anything like that. But I really like this product because it's very light. And again, I usually buy the darker ones just because I've had a better experience with them, but this one I decided to give a try just because it was a lot cheaper, and I am a college student, so I do not always have the funds to buy all the super expensive products that everyone is suggesting, and they're like, oh, this works well, and I'm like, well, can't really buy that because, you know, I don't always have the funds to buy those. But this was a very cheap product, and it works extremely well. Like the Ultra Hold that it says in the title there, it really holds your hair. Like, I know that I literally have sweated because I've worn this out on my hair, and it works just as well as if I put it on 10 minutes ago. And I really like that because it's hard for me to find something that even if I sweat, it won't like frizz back up or look like I didn't put anything in my hair. It is a smaller container, so if you use a lot of gel, you might have to go and buy more than one at a time, or just go and buy it more often because it is a smaller container. But since it is smaller, it's easy to travel with. You can literally put it in your purse if your purse is like a little bit on the larger side, but you can put it in your purse if you feel like you could possibly need to reapply it. But in my experience, I haven't had to reapply it from using it or anything like that. But if you wanted to, you could easily just put it in there. It's not that big of a container. Yeah, so I just usually would put this in my hair and brush it, and I would be fine throughout the whole night. I've suggested this to friends. I've done friends' hair and I've used this. My sister has very, very, very coarse hair. Like, her hair is extremely like she has like the hair type of 4C, which means it's a very like thick, very coily type of hair, and I put this in there and it works like magic. Like I put, I don't know, like glue on her hair or something, but it doesn't feel like glue. It feels very light and airy, and it just makes your hair look very sleek without making it feel like somebody attached a pile of super glue to your hair or something like that. Because I know a lot of people have experienced a lot of gels where they have felt like there was so much on their head. So this product is just really good to use. Probably one of my favorite products. If anything, I'll just put some like maybe extra hairspray on top just because I like to have an extra hold and make it look like extremely sleek, because I don't know, I have a thing with like super sleek hair and I just really love it. Or like I'll put like this in like the front of my hair and then like hairspray the back down, or like I don't really use the hairspray that often with this product though, because this product does really well at keeping the hair held down by itself, and I really like that, because then I don't have to buy any extras or anything like that. So again, this is the Ampro Pro Styl Clear Ice Ultra Hold Gel.